Spring's finally in full bloom across the country, and thunderstorms were popping up all over the place yesterday. Meteorologist Matt McInerney here. Let's briefly talk about how those storms could affect your teams, because even if the storms don't directly hit the stadium, they still have an impact on the surrounding environment. Ahead of a storm, there's generally an increase in humidity and lift, and both of these help to promote ball flight. Although humidity feels thick, it actually decreases air density and air resistance, so the ball can fly through the air more easily. One of the biggest things that happens when a storm gets closer is an increase in wind speed and a shift in wind direction. The change in wind direction can be very difficult to predict. Sometimes that wind will blow out and really help a hitter, or sometimes it could cut scoring in half. A lot depends on where the storm is traveling and how far away it is. Lastly, storms can cause a quick drop in temperature. A lot of heat energy goes into evaporating the rain, so an area's temperature can drop very quickly if heavy rain is nearby. If a storm does hit a stadium, the wetness brings a whole nother piece to the puzzle. What we've been finding is that hitters seem to have more success than pitchers. Pitchers tend to lose control more easily because the ball's wet and they leave pitches out over the plate for hitters to smash. And the wet field can affect traction, so fielders don't get as good of jumps as they normally would. Also think about what a rain delay can do to the players mentally. Before game, they're all loose, ready to go, and that mentality changes to a more relaxed mode. Their bodies cool off a little bit, and they might not be sure when they're going to get going again or if they're even going to be playing tonight. And that's tough on a lot of guys. So as you might have guessed, storms in the area can really throw things for a loop, so pick your players wisely the next time there's a chance of rain in the area. And as always, we'll keep you as up to date as possible on any weather info. For the Weather Factor, we'll see you later.